I just got a ticket, fishing with no license in West Virginia.
This is not how I expected this weekend to go. Let's back up. We showed up expecting electricity and a shower, and we got neither. From what I could tell, this place was built more for RVs and not for tent camping. So we were frantically looking for another site to stay at. New site, Wapocoma. Did I say that right?
Very nice people.
Do we have a site?
Yep. Alright, so she said that this site's right here, and then there's the bathhouses right here.
Okay. Is it hot water?
Yeah.
Little side note, the EcoBoost electric generator was a good buy. Pizza, Dairy Queen, and a sign I thought was adorable.
I guess about 25.
We are getting a cold treat.
You made that joke.
That driveway to the house.
How do you know that?
I'm very hungry. I'm road since like
I'm
9:15.
scared of this lady in front of what she's doing.
And the one campground didn't have any showers.
There's someone in the back of
Oh yeah, we had a long.
It's all good.
Thanks, Dad.
But I don't think they're really.
We're good?
That chicken looks like it shrink. Chicken's so small.
Wapocoma's got over 250 campsites spread across 100 acres. Some up on the ridge, some down in the meadow. Every one of them's a short walk to the river. Cash and check only here, no cards, and it's quiet hours after 11, so we had a window to get everything up before dark. Bathhouse is a short walk from most sites. Showers, sinks, the basics. Not glamorous, but it did the job. And our first stop of the day, one of many.
Maybe I should move here, work here, and just keep my car out.
Thank you. Good morning. Your sign says closed. I guess the Caesar, just a regular Caesar.
Small Caesar?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get a Caesar. It shouldn't be a problem.
I don't want croutons or capers. This building's been a lot of things before it was a cafe. A dairy in the 40s, then a bar people called the Romper Room, then a florist and a metal shop for almost 40 years. The couple who own it now spent over a year gutting it down to the original wood rafters and steel beams before it ever opened. It's Australia, Thailand, China.
Oh, some live in the water. They must be avatars.
And now Marco's coffee art attempt.
Let me try.
Beginning.
So you like this place, Gab?
Well, I can't judge it yet because I haven't judged their pancakes or anything yet.
So good.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, so yummy.
Romney's actually the oldest incorporated town in West Virginia, chartered in 1762, same day as Shepherdstown, but Romney's paperwork went through first. Somewhere between the train playground and a very competitive game of paddleball, the conversation turned into we should just get an RV. Not because we're planning it right now, it's more of a someday thing. But days like this make the case for it. More trips, more places, and the kids just out there instead of stuck in a hotel room.
Yeah, these are like old timey.
Gavin's one condition: the dogs are non-negotiable.
Sammy, we're having all.
See, that's what I mean. We could get an RV.
Yeah.
And then we can go different places and explore nice places like this.
With
Some
the
of them
dogs.
may not be as exciting, but
Heck, Mom, this is fun.
This is the part of the trip that gets me every time. There's something about finding a spot like this, quiet, wide open, nobody rushing you, that makes me want to find 20 more just like it. It's part of why we keep doing this. Not just Romney, but all over. There's a version of this river somewhere in every small town that we haven't been to yet. We are back again, and honestly, I've lost count at this point of how many times we've been here, but this one's for dinner.
You guys eating here?
So Josh and Aaron, the couple behind this place, have spent years restoring old buildings around Romney and investing in small businesses here.
Is that our dog?
That's the baby over there.
Oh,
Good. I was thinking, like, no, they can't be freaking out this much.
Scared me. I was like,
this one has genuinely become our favorite spot to eat every time we're in town. Yeah, Marker's already called dibs on the lemon bars.
Last one.
little bit.
We happened upon this little flea market. There was no plan, we're on vacation, so we stopped.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
oh, cute.
1967. It's good, everything.
Nice.
I think it's in pretty good shape. It's not not too bad of a.
Does it have all the pieces?
Good question. Yeah.
Did Dad see this?
I just got a ticket fishing with no license in West Virginia. So the guy gives me a ticket. I told him, I said, hey, I'll go ahead and buy a fishing license. He said, I didn't know. I figured in the campground I'm safe for fishing. He's like, no, because that's a public water access. So, and then you would think he would have said, okay, you're not supposed to fish anymore. And then he's like, well, you can keep fishing now.
With
After
no
he gave me the
license.
ticket. After no license for fishing. Does that make any sense? I'll just call Monday, see how much the fine is, because they don't tell you. You have to call the magistrate. But I can still fish right now. Huh?
He's almost out.
Yeah, I think he had like 2 tickets left. And then another guy over here got a ticket. And then another guy said, yeah, I'll be back. I'm going to get my license. I don't think he came back.
If you're ever near Romney, West Virginia, definitely stop, go camping, hit the river, walk the parks. Let the kids run around Hampshire Park like we did. You need a bite to eat? Definitely check out Wild Roots Cafe. And if you go fishing, don't forget to spend $3 for your fishing license.
You gotta have a license.